Hello everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Just going to do a different video. Everyone's been thinking and wondering and wanting to see the workshop space. So what we'll do is we'll do a video. Me and my mate James, we've cleaned up half the front half of the workshop. Eventually, hopefully within the next week or two, we can do a day, hopefully working on the little Hyundai XL that I've got and finish putting that closer to being on the road, and then doing some workshop cleanup on the rear section. So anyway, I'll do a bit of an intro and then I'll get in and I'll show you around the workshop. Okay, the beginning of the tour of the workshop. As you can see, all the way around. Now what I'll do is I'll find photos that are on my Facebook page and I'll add them on when I first moved in, to then accumulating everything that I actually make now. So yeah, so let's take this tour. Alright, recently acquired folder. Unfortunately, there was a lot of freight debacle. It took 5 weeks to get here, but it's now finally here. Now I've just got to get in and get some dollars together again and go to the scrap yard and look at getting the steel that I need to make a bench on caster wheels, because I'm going to be putting some locking caster wheels on it, and that, so then I can move it in and out and that to when I need to use it. Hopefully I'll move around here so the light's not directly. Hopefully, jeez, very poor light. Here is a fuel bowser I picked up the other day, not the other day, but a year, maybe 2 ago, that I want to restore and do as a thing for the channel. And what the hell's going on here? Too much sunlight, too much glare, and yeah, so I'm still trying to track down the hose, the glass for the rings. I've got to get done, and then because the rings go right there, and then the face there. One of these panels I've got to make a new bottom section for, so I've got to get some dies made up for the bead roller so I can make that particular bead. And then there's the brass fronts, they will all get polished up. I've got the plate down the bottom and that. This is where it all started. It's my 1966 HI Ute, 900th built. So far, repair works that I've done the bonnet, top side, painted the underside, engine bay is painted but very dirty and dusty, and left hand lower guard section, which there's a video, a couple of videos of me doing that on YouTube as well. Then we'll go down this side of the workshop first. This is just my miscellaneous tools, because I get a lot of hand-me-down tools, because it saves me a bit of dollars. But one day, hopefully, maybe some tool company might sponsor me a new toolbox. But yeah, so on this shelf here, are the seat mounts. This is what I produced now. These are the dies that still aren't properly done, but we might not even worry about changing it, because the single length of these, I might be able to still produce the HKT and G seat mounts for it. These are the crush tubes, so I'll be making a few of them up. Top plate, we'll go into that one. Miscellaneous car parts, my paint shelves, and then templates of floor pans for, I think it's FB to EK or something like that. That heater box down there will be going into here. Basically my dash and all that is basically almost set up, and that. So now that the camera actually stopped recording, I'll come back again. So yeah, there's a few more things to do on the inside here. New roof lining and that, paint all the back area, get some carpet it all down along the back, and that new stereo system will go in, and so forth. Yeah, so we got parts, that's the stock that gets sold. Later on build after this one gets done. English wheel, planishing hammer, which I don't very rarely use. That's my welding bench, TIG welder that I got to get a mate to help me set up. My welder. That's my bead roller, Australian made. Danny, brother, if you've got any stickers, bro, send me one or two over, and that. So everyone, please, where's the other bit? Again, jump over and check out Vino Rat Rod, Arco, at OutlawEdge. Sorry guys, I couldn't find the sticker at one stage. I have done a video, I just hadn't had a chance to edit it. I've got to find the footage. So go out and check the 615 Custom guys on YouTube, and then go check Woody out, Wood and Metal Fab Garage. Go check out my mate Trev, show him some love. He's been going through a bit of a rough trot. Been doing some videos on his car. So yeah, TB Trev, Knees in the Breeze, one of my towing guys for when I break down. So yeah, so now all the back of this section of the workshop here, these are the things that I've acquired over the last few years to get into try and start making, but I get flat chat with the HR and HD stuff, is the lower door corners or door skins for the FJs and FXs, and that's why I've got fronts and rears. Lower guards, I already make that little section there. The rear guards, I am looking at trying to see if I can get some male and female forming dies to make that section there. If not, I'm going to have a crack at making them by hand. So yeah, this is all got to be sorted and cleaned up. Forward bonnet scoop there, the GT, the GX1S1, because it's got no bonnet pins in it. I got that the other day because I wanted to remake the louvered section to graft onto the bonnet when I do this custom build, because everything on it's going to be old school 80s, 70s, 60s and 70s style custom work. I'm going to be attempting on that one. Yeah, the far back wall here was all meant to technically be for my parts, but I live in here too, so I still have boxes that I haven't gone through yet, and that of all my personal shit that I just can't seem to get rid of. I want to get rid of at this present stage in my life. But anyway, this little area underneath all here is an engine that I got to build for this one here. There's the block there, and that. Good thing is it hasn't. Some of them have a little bit of a lip, and some of them don't. So a little lenish on them. We'll probably get rid of that little bit of a lip. My little kitchen area. I've got to clean it up. And that, my little stove, oven, 2 stovetops, the fridge. Probably the best part of the workshop. The throne. Few me pictures. And that, I'm going to be decking out. I'm going to get some lights and that, and put up in here eventually. Run the little solar power thing out through the gaps of the roof, so it's solar powered all the time. I'm going to ask my mate if I can paint it and tile the floor. Show you my room area. Okay, so everyone doesn't realise that I actually live in my workshop. Now, this is my little living area. I've been using my son's bed from when he was little, all these years. Down there I have modelling stuff in. Now that toy box there I have from when I was a kid, and that came in handy. My mate's TV, unfortunately needing a new one, so back onto using the little $20 one I bought. So yeah, I'm sorting through, folding stuff, donating some stuff and that, but my other passion is Warhammer 40k. I paint these guys on commission. And that sort of stuff. But I also have a Facebook page under Ginger Games and Hobbies for this sort of stuff, as I used to also own a hobby shop some years ago. I had it for 3.5 years. There's my son there when he was a baby, and that one there is his first or second Christmas. That was his second Christmas, that one. That was the year after he was born. Commission models there still. Commission stuff up there and along there. Commission stuff. My own personal models. Car models. And yeah. So. And I'll just move these invoices on that bunch of models that I've done. So yeah, so to give you a gist, it's not a very big area. Now around the corner here, I've got, I can't remember what I've got in the tubs there, but I've got the shit in the tubs. Cardboard for my packaging. Sometimes my shelf, I put stock, not stock, but orders that I've done out in this area here. What's left of my hobby shop stock. Carcass, some doors that I'm trying to get to repair, and then around here I have this old girl here, and that a mate of mine acquired it. He needed the roof chopped, so we took the roof off for him, and this is what I'm left with, so I can dummy fit basically my panels on. So once I've got the brake set up, I'll be making this section here. Oops, this section along here, I'll be making that, and then I'll be making this section here. We'll also be looking at making hopefully the front corners around here, the center, and the opposite corner over there. At the moment I already make the front floor pan, but I'm in the middle of trying to work out, sorry about the camera work, how I can make this lip here into my pan. It's all rusted out on this one, but we're trying to also get in and find a good section there. And then over here are the rears, floors. I'll make this section but without this bit and this bit and the round section, and well, this bit, and there's supposed to be 1, 2, 3 of those in through the floor, and that round plug area there. This is another section that I make, but if I can work it, I'm going to look at trying to make the front floor pan all the way back to here, and that, if not, I'm going to be making from here to here as a separate piece altogether. Yeah, so that might give you an idea of how big my living quarters is and that. So anyway, I'll duck out of here. So yeah, that's a little bit of a workshop tour of everything. A day in the life of me, and that sort of stuff. Hope you guys watch it all the way through. Help me with the watch hours. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to work out how to do the links, but I'll whack, if I can't, work the links. Okay, very quickly. I ran out of space, so I just had to make some space on my phone again. Yeah, I'm going to put everyone's name that I follow in at the end of my video, so please check them out, and yeah, give them a like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and don't forget, comment. Alright then, I'm going to go, got some work to do. Till next time, stay safe, keep the rubber side down. Cheerio.